So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On today's episode, I bring to you good news. And what is this good news? Is about the rewards of pregnancy. As a woman, our main dua is Allah to provide us offspring that are the coolness of our eyes. And there are several rewards for a pregnant woman in Islam. So, but I'm going to list some, maybe 9 or 10. I'm going to list some for you guys. Number one, according to Islam, a pregnant woman is regarded as martyr. According to the Hadith, a pregnant woman is regarded as a martyr. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The reward of a woman from the period of pregnancy to the time of breastfeeding is the same as the one that is on the part of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if any woman leaves the heart during this period of time because of the hardship and pains of birth, she has a reward of a martyr." Number two, virtues of being a mother. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Paradise is under the feet of a mother." And also, which of the parents have the higher status? Is it the man or the woman? And the Prophet ﷺ said, he replied, "The one who for 9 months kept you between your two sides, which is the stomach, and then brought you into the world and gives you milk from her breast." Anytime a woman leaves this world because of the pains of labor, on the day of judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to raise her from the grave pure. It means without any account of sins, because such a woman has given her life due to the hardship and the pains of labor. And every time a woman becomes pregnant, during the whole period of her pregnancy, she has the status of someone who fasts, someone who worships during the night, and one who fights for the sake of Allah with her life and possessions. And when she dies, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant her the reward that is limitless. Like, it is limitless. Nobody knows the limit of this reward because it is so great that Allah even made a pregnant woman a martyr. And when she's giving her milk to the child that she gave birth to, for every suck from the child, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives her the reward as if she was freeing a slave from the children of Ismail. And after she finished breastfeeding the child, one of the great angels of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taps her on her side and said, "Start your deeds afresh, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forgiven your minor sins, all your minor sins." During the period of pregnancy, Allah gave the woman the patience of 10 men combined together. The patience of 10 men combined together during this pregnancy. Allah has granted a woman the ability to be able to be patient as 10 men put together. And also, when a woman is pregnant, all the angels of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are going to say istighfar on her behalf. Each day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala writes down 1,000 good deeds for her and erase 1,000 for her. And also, when she starts to feel pain in her body, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will write a reward as if she was doing a jihad for the cause of Allah. And a woman who gives birth to a child gets the reward of 70 years of salah, as if you have prayed for 70 years. So as a woman, if you are opportune to give birth, it means that you have gotten a reward of 70 years of salah and fasting. And so these are the benefits of pregnancy in Islam. This is why Allah made multiplying a great deal in Islam. If you are able to multiply in Islam, Allah is going to reward you abundantly. And we pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us and make us one of those who do things for Islam as an act of ibadah. And we pray that He do not pour our good deeds on us. And we pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us, bless us, and make us one of those who will enter Al-Jannah Firdaus. I still remain Salary Rifat Adeshawa. If you find this content useful, please do not forget to like, share, and comment. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and guide you as you do so. See you in my next video. Bye.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق